What's the most unusual thing you've ever seen inside a shipping container? A mountain of flour sacks? Crates of food? Or maybe a Nissan Juke hanging in the air like a chandelier? In this 9-minute video, you'll see something that looks like a mix between a humanitarian mission and a magic show. A massive truck arrives with a huge container trailer. As the doors open, the camera reveals a container stacked from bottom to top with humanitarian aid, bags of flour, boxes with food, and, oh yes, a car suspended mid-air as if someone parked it on the ceiling. First, the helpers unload the countless bags and boxes. But the real fun starts when they begin taking down the car that was parked in the clouds. With winches, chains, and a good dose of improvisation, the mechanics carefully lower the Nissan Juke back to earth. And just when you think the show is over, surprise. Another car rolls out, this time on its wheels, but also filled with boxes of humanitarian aid. As the unloading continues, more vehicles appear, some missing front or rear wheels. Well, you've got to make space somehow, right? In total, 5 cars are pulled out of the container. Not only did they bring extra aid inside, but they themselves will now be repaired and put to use for the people of Nigeria. This is not just about unloading a container. It's about how countries in need receive help, how every detail matters, and how even cars can become both transport and storage at the same time. So if you thought unloading flour was boring, think again. Subscribe for more amazing videos and don't miss my YouTube shorts. There's always something unexpected happening here.